BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series has always represented the pinnacle of the brand's sedan lineup, combining advanced technology, refined luxury, and impressive performance. As a full-size luxury sedan, it is built for those who expect more than just a comfortable drive. They want a car that embodies elegance, prestige, and innovation. With its bold design, carefully crafted interior, and engineering excellence, the 7 Series stands out as one of the most prestigious models in the BMW family. One of its greatest strengths is the wide range of engine and drivetrain options. BMW recognizes that every buyer has different priorities. Some prefer traditional gasoline engines, others are drawn to the efficiency of hybrids, while many want the forward-thinking appeal of a fully electric vehicle. The 7 Series lineup accommodates them all, ensuring there is a version to match any lifestyle or driving preference. Engine and drivetrain options. The entry point to the lineup is the BMW 740i, powered by a refined gasoline engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance while maintaining efficiency. For those looking to reduce emissions without sacrificing comfort, the 750e plug-in hybrid offers the versatility of electric-only driving for shorter trips with the reliability of a combustion engine for longer journeys. Drivers who crave power will find their match in the 760i. With robust horsepower and precise handling, it adds a dynamic, sporty edge to this luxury sedan. Finally, the i7 represents BMW's vision of the future. As a fully electric model, it delivers instant torque, silent operation, and impressive range, proving that sustainability and luxury can go hand in hand. This range of powertrains allows buyers to choose exactly what suits their lifestyle, whether that's efficiency, performance, or innovation. Regardless of the model, the 7 Series remains true to BMW's legacy of smooth, confident driving dynamics. Interior and comfort. Inside, the BMW 7 Series is a showcase of craftsmanship and modern design. The cabin is lined with premium materials such as supple leather, fine wood trims, and metallic accents that create a refined yet contemporary atmosphere. The highlight is the curved digital display that integrates driver information and infotainment into a single, elegant interface. Combined with customizable ambient lighting, the cabin feels futuristic while remaining warm and inviting. Seating for 5 passengers is spacious and supportive, ensuring that every occupant enjoys maximum comfort. Long journeys feel effortless thanks to the ergonomic design and generous legroom. Rear seat passengers, in particular, benefit from features such as optional entertainment screens, reclining seats, and even a theater-style panoramic display available in certain versions. Paired with a premium sound system, the 7 Series transforms every drive into a luxurious experience for both drivers and passengers alike. Models and performance. The variety of models underscores the flexibility of the 7 Series. The 740i is well suited for those who want balance and refinement, while the 750e caters to buyers who value eco-conscious hybrid technology. The 760i delivers thrilling performance, combining high horsepower with precision handling. Finally, the i7 shows BMW's dedication to innovation, bringing fully electric luxury to the lineup. Each version is engineered to highlight its own strengths, whether that's acceleration, fuel economy, or all-electric range. No matter which model is chosen, the 7 Series guarantees a ride that is smooth, composed, and unmistakably premium. Pricing and value. As a flagship luxury sedan, the BMW 7 Series carries a price tag that reflects its premium status. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, begins at $96,400, though the final cost varies depending on the model, region, and options selected. Buyers can personalize their car extensively, choosing from a wide range of interior finishes, technology packages, and driver assistance systems. While it is a significant investment, the value of the 7 Series lies in its unmatched blend of elegance, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. It is more than just transportation, it is a statement of sophistication and success. Conclusion. The BMW 7 Series continues to set the benchmark for full-size luxury sedans. With its diverse range of powertrains, cutting-edge interior technology, and timeless design, it delivers a complete package that few rivals can match. Whether powered by gasoline, hybrid technology, or an all-electric system, the 7 Series embodies BMW's tradition of performance while embracing the future of mobility. For those seeking a sedan that blends prestige, innovation,